In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run giveaways on Shopify using the best Shopify giveaway app to increase your sales. This is a great way to engage with customers, attract new ones, and boost your store's overall performance. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel and start from the home page. Once there, look towards the bottom left of your screen and click on Settings. This will open a new page full of various options related to your store's configuration. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Apps and Sales Channels. Clicking this will lead you to where all your apps are listed. Now it's time to add a new app. Click on the Shopify App Store, which will take you to a vast collection of apps that can enhance your Shopify store in numerous ways. In the search bar, type in giveaway and press enter. One of the top results you should see is the Social Boost Giveaways Contest app. Click on it, and once you've reviewed its features and benefits, go ahead and click install. After installation, you'll be prompted to authorize the app with your Shopify store. Click install once again to confirm your choice. With that, you're ready to start exploring and setting up your first giveaway campaign. Click on Start Exploring to begin. Next, you'll walk through a setup wizard. Click next to advance through the different configuration options. Choose a template that meets your campaign goals. This will serve as the foundation for your giveaway. Once you've selected a template, hit create, which brings you to the customization phase. Here, observe that you can change the name of your giveaway. Type a compelling description to tell your customers what this giveaway is all about. You can also edit the start and the end date, ensuring to set a time frame that allows ample participation. Don't forget to adjust your time zone settings to match your store's location. Once you're satisfied, click Save to preserve your settings. Now let's move on to the prize section by clicking on Next Prize. You can add a prize here by clicking Add Prize. Name your prize and click on Type to specify what kind of prize it will be, whether a product, a discount, or something else. Add an enticing description to spark interest, and you can even upload an image of the prize. Don't forget to click Save to keep these details intact. With the prize set, you can further explore the reward setup. Here you can tweak the reward structure to encourage more engagement. Lastly, you enter the layout and preview stage. Click on Select Theme to pick a campaign layout and choose your primary and secondary colors to align with your brand aesthetic. Click Complete to finish this setup phase. Once all configurations are in place, click Yes, Publish Now to make your giveaway live. If you encounter any issues, look for the Fix It option for guided troubleshooting. Finally, don't forget to click Save on your Shopify themes page to ensure everything is up and running smoothly. And there you have it, your Shopify store is ready to host an exciting giveaway that's sure to captivate your audience and potentially increase your sales. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling.